Some motorhomes are designed to be noticed. Others are designed to be lived in. And this one belongs firmly to the second category. From the outside, its sculpted body and flowing glass surfaces feel more like a moving structure than a vehicle. The proportions are deliberate, the lines calm and architectural, and the expansive dark glass gives it the presence of a private penthouse set gently onto the road. It doesn't try to look aggressive or futuristic for attention. It simply feels composed, like it knows exactly what it is, stepping inside. That sense of composure continues. There's no shock factor, no dramatic reveal meant to overwhelm the senses. Instead, the interior opens gradually, allowing the space to be understood rather than admired all at once. The lounge sits at the heart of the motorhome, and it's immediately clear that this isn't a space designed for show. Seating is low, curved, and arranged to encourage comfort rather than formality. The materials are soft and neutral, steel blue tones balanced with warm grays and charcoal accents, creating an atmosphere that feels light, calm, and quietly luxurious. The single table anchors the lounge, placed intentionally at the center. It's not oversized, not decorative, just enough for a coffee, a book, or a quiet conversation. Large panoramic windows wrap the space, filtering daylight through tinted glass that preserves privacy while keeping a constant visual connection to the outside world. At night, indirect lighting follows the curves of the ceiling and walls, washing the interior in a warm, neutral glow that feels more like a modern apartment than a vehicle in motion. Moving deeper inside, the motorhome transitions seamlessly into the bedroom without abrupt divisions. The sleeping area feels protected rather than isolated, defined by subtle changes in lighting and texture rather than walls. The bed sits low and centered, with rounded edges and layered bedding that looks genuinely inviting. Soft gray sheets, textured throws, and muted blue accents add depth without visual clutter. The padded headboard spans the width of the space, grounding the room and reinforcing a sense of enclosure. Above, the ceiling becomes part of the design rather than an afterthought. Layered planes and recessed lighting create a gentle sense of height while keeping the space intimate. Light spills softly across the room, eliminating harsh shadows and making the bedroom feel calm and balanced. Storage blends into the surrounding walls, flush and unobtrusive, ensuring that nothing disrupts the clean architectural rhythm. Adjacent to the bedroom, the dressing area reveals itself as a continuation of the space rather than a separate room. Full-height wardrobes line the wall, their tinted glass panels offering a subtle glimpse of neatly arranged clothing without exposing clutter. Drawers and compartments are integrated seamlessly, maintaining a sense of order and restraint. A slim vanity surface sits within the wardrobe wall, paired with a softly backlit mirror and a compact stool that slides neatly underneath when not in use. It's a space designed for routine, quiet, efficient, and comfortable, where getting ready feels effortless rather than ceremonial. The kitchen continues the theme of intentional design. This isn't a showcase kitchen built to impress at a glance. It's a compact galley designed to function smoothly within the motorhome's flow. Handle-less cabinetry in soft gray tones lines the wall, paired with a matte black countertop that feels durable and understated. A built-in stove and compact sink sit exactly where you expect them to be, while everyday items, cups, a coffee machine, simple utensils, are placed with purpose. Across from the counter, a small dining area features a clean table and 2 slim stools, allowing for meals without consuming unnecessary space. It's an environment that feels realistic and lived in, designed for quiet breakfasts, late dinners, and moments of pause between destinations. Lighting here is subtle and practical, illuminating the workspace without overpowering the atmosphere. Tucked neatly along one side of the motorhome is the mini office, and it immediately feels different from traditional workspaces. Finished in soft sky blue tones, the office introduces a sense of lightness and clarity. The desk floats gently from the wall, slim and minimal, paired with a compact ergonomic chair that doesn't dominate the space. A laptop, notebook, and coffee mug are all it takes to make the area feel active and personal. Natural light filters in through a nearby window, softened by tinted glass, while integrated task lighting provides just enough focus without creating a corporate feel. This isn't an office designed to isolate you from the journey. It's designed to let you work while remaining connected to it. Privacy becomes more pronounced as you move into the bathroom, which is fully enclosed behind a sliding glass door. Inside, the space feels compact but complete. Soft gray walls, black fixtures, and subtle metallic details create a clean, modern environment that prioritizes function without sacrificing comfort. The shower sits neatly within a glass enclosure, paired with a floating vanity and a compact toilet positioned to maximize space. Lighting is even and controlled, making the bathroom feel calm and secure rather than tight. It's a space designed for daily use, quiet mornings, late evenings, and everything in between, without unnecessary drama. For moments when relaxation matters most, the mini spa offers a different kind of pause. Set within a softly curved alcove, the soaking basin is sized for one person, emphasizing privacy and stillness. Sky blue wall panels and light stone textures create a fresh, airy atmosphere that contrasts gently with the darker tones of the rest of the interior. Subtle underwater lighting and indirect ceiling illumination encourage the body to slow down, turning the space into a personal retreat rather than a luxury statement. At the front of the motorhome, the cockpit brings everything together. The driving environment is calm and panoramic, with a wide dashboard and minimal controls that reduce visual clutter. Seating is comfortable and supportive, designed for long journeys rather than performance driving. The expansive windshield opens the road ahead, making the experience of driving feel relaxed and deliberate. This motorhome isn't built to compete in specifications or draw attention at first glance. It's built for those who understand that true luxury is consistency, control, and the ability to carry your environment with you wherever you go. It's for people who don't adapt their lives to travel, but bring their lives along with them. So the question isn't whether this motorhome is impressive. The question is whether you're ready to move through the world without compromise. If you could take it anywhere tomorrow, where would you go first? If this vision resonated with you, stay with us. Like, share, and subscribe for more designs where movement and living finally meet.